At number 1, we have the THIKPO Universal Fuel Injector Tester and Cleaner Toolkit. Tired of rough idling, poor acceleration, and expensive mechanic visits? Clogged fuel injectors are often the culprit. This affordable DIY kit is your solution. It features 8 pulse modes and 8 size adapters compatible with most petrol vehicles. The dual-channel design lets you test and clean 2 injectors at once, saving you valuable time. Users report smoother engine performance and better fuel efficiency, earning it a strong 4.4-star rating from hundreds of reviews. For around $26, it's the ideal tool for DIY maintenance. Avoid expensive shop visits and keep your car running like new.
A premium choice, highly regarded for its powerful cleaning and protective properties, this 15 Oz bottle treats nearly a full tank and restores up to 100% injector efficiency while preventing corrosion. It excels at removing deposits from injectors, carburetors, valves, and combustion chambers, leading to improved engine smoothness, fuel economy, and overall performance. Boasting an impressive 4.8-star rating from over 9,000 reviews, many drivers trust it for high mileage or performance vehicles. While it's pricier than basic options, the long-term savings from avoided repairs make it a smart investment for those seeking easy, no-mess maintenance.
At number 3, we have the Royal Purple 18,000 Max Atomizer Fuel Injector Cleaner. This budget-friendly 6 Oz bottle is excellent for quick maintenance, restoring fuel economy, and maximizing horsepower and engine responsiveness. It works well in both gasoline and diesel engines, with users frequently noting smoother idling and better acceleration after treatment. It holds a solid 4.6-star rating from thousands of reviews. A great value pick for regular use to keep your engine running at its best. At number 4, we have the Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner. A trusted staple from Chevron, this cleaner effectively removes deposit throughout your entire fuel system. It restores lost fuel economy and helps smooth out issues like rough idling or hesitation. It's safe for catalytic converters and oxygen sensors, making it perfect for regular maintenance. With a consistent 4.5-star rating, it's the gentle yet effective solution for daily drivers, offering reliable cumulative improvements over time. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus. Unbeatable cleaning power. Trusted performance.
At number 5, we have the Gumout 5111 Multi-System Tune-Up. This versatile 16 Oz treatment cleans GDI injectors, carburetors, and more across gasoline, diesel, and ethanol engines. Priced affordably around $7 it improves overall engine performance, fuel stability, and longevity. With a 4.6-star rating from thousands of reviews, users appreciate its all-in-one approach, though optimal results often come with consistent or multiple applications. Perfect for comprehensive care in various vehicles, from cars to small engines.